अस्सलामु अलैकुम माय फ्रेंड्स, हाउ आर यू ऑल। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि बिल्कुल ठीक होंगे। कंप्लीट कोर्स ऑफ वोकेबलरी फॉर बिगिनर्स पार्ट 6। एडवांटेज। एडवांटेज मीन्स फायदा। एन एडवांटेज इज समथिंग दैट हेल्प्स यू। एग्जाम्पल, बीइंग टॉल इज एन एडवांटेज टू अ बास्केटबॉल प्लेयर। कॉज। कॉज मीन्स पैदा करना या अमल में लाना। टू कॉज इज टू मेक समथिंग हैपन। एग्जाम्पल, द कोल्ड वेदर caused her to get sick. Choice. Choice means इंतखाब या पसंद. A choice is the act or possibility of picking something. Example, I had my choice of 5 doors to open. Community. Community means brotherly. A community is a group of people who live together. Example, the kids from my community usually play together. Dead. Dead means murda. To be dead is not to be alive. Example, a dead person is usually buried in the ground. Distance. Distance means fasla. The distance between two things is how far it is between them. Example, the distance between the earth and the moon is 3,84,400 kilometers. Escape. Escape means भाग जाना या बच निकलना. To escape is to run away from something bad. Example, the butterfly could not escape from the cage. Face. Face means मुकाबला करना. If you face a problem, you deal with it. Example, my sister and I have to find a better way to face our differences. Follow. Follow means पीछा करना. To follow means to go behind someone and go where they go. Example, the little boy followed his mother home. Fright. Fright means दहशत या खौफ. Fright is the feeling of being scared. Example, she was filled with fright. Ghost. Ghost means bhoot. A ghost is the spirit of dead person. Example, many people are afraid of ghosts. Individual. Individual means khas. An individual is a one person. Example, only one individual could win the bicycle race. Pet. Pet means पालतू जानवर. A pet is an animal that lives with people. Example, out of my all pets, the dog is my favorite. Reach. Reach means पहुंचना. To reach means to arrive at a place. Example, I was happy to finally reach my destination. Return. Return means वापस आना. To return is to go back to a place. Example, I was happy to return home to my mom after school. Survive. Survive means जिंदा रहना. To survive is to stay alive. Example, my dog survived her fall into the water. Upset. Upset means nakhush. To be upset is to be unhappy about something. Example, she was upset because she broke her toy. Voice. Voice means आवाज. A voice is the sound a person makes when they talk or sing. Example, he used a microphone so everyone could hear his voice. Weather. Weather means मौसम. The weather is the condition of the air, hot, rainy, windy, etc. Example, the weather can be sunny, rainy or cold. Wise. Wise means अक्लमंद. To be wise is to use experience and intelligence to make good choices. Example, many people believe that owls are very wise animals. दोस्तों ये था कंप्लीट कोर्स ऑफ वोकेबलरी फॉर बिगिनर्स पार्ट 6। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि ये पार्ट भी आपको अच्छा लगा होगा। अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें। मिलता हूँ ऐसी किसी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़, टेक केयर।